Hey there, this is Joan of Art. Prior to this recording, I received a phone call. So why not do a typical phone call conversation in Ilonggo? So here's an example of how a typical phone conversation in Ilonggo goes. So, kring! Hello, maing aga. Hello? Sino ni Tani? Si Joan ni. Oo, ikaw galing. Ano tani, kinahanglan mo? Mamangkot ko tani, I'd like to ask kung saan o ka mo makadeliver sa order ko. Oo. I-deliver na da namon buwas? Ipadala na da namon buwas? Pila man ang balayran ko. How much do I owe you? 2,000. Oo. Okay, oo. Sige Okay. Bye-bye. Salamat. Salamat man. Thank you. Bye-bye. And that is a typical two-way phone conversation. I'll prepare a more elaborate one as we go along this video. But for now, that would be all. And until our next video, this is Joan of Art. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.